Looky there. I'll take a big bite. Today we're going to make my favorite Greek Sausage Gyros. And those are going to be made not with a regular tzatziki sauce, but with a tzatziki sauce made with yellow bell peppers. You're also going to learn 4 or 5 things throughout this video that will work for all of your foods. So stick around. It's a short video. You'll learn a lot. Mint, salt and pepper. Salt and pepper. Mint leaves and rosemary. You always want to let your water boil off before you break your meat up. That way you don't boil your meat. Once it starts sizzling and frying, chop it up a little more. Okay, let it sit for another minute. All right, once you see all the water is gone, now it's time to break it up. See how that is? This is how you caramelize your meat properly. The same goes for beef. Any ground meat that you use, turkey, especially turkey. And this is just a cheap Greek sausage, nothing fancy. Got a little bit of Greek seasoning in there. That's what you see sticking to the bottom. No big deal. That's called fond. You want that. If you don't get that, you need to get a different pan. The non-stick ones, they won't develop fond. These copper ones like this are really good for it, as you can see. And all that flavor is going to mix in as we cook. Very important when you're frying up meat. You ever been somewhere and you look at the meat and it looks gray, it looks like it came off of an alien spaceship? All right, now that's beautiful meat right here. Don't worry about that ring. That ring is your friend. That's called fond. Once you learn how to use it, everyone will be more fond of your food. Don't worry about scraping these copper pans. They don't scrape very easily. You can use metal utensils on them. They're not going to hurt them. Now we just need a little something to break that fond up. A little bit of butter. And a little bit of water. That's what you want to see. That's it releasing from the pan. Just go around and gently work it off like this. Just work it off the pan. You don't want this to dry up now, because if it dries up, you're just going to get another ring. And this will work in an aluminum pan, a stainless steel pan, Dutch ovens. The only pan it doesn't really work good in is non-stick pans, because you don't get it sticking. When it sticks, that's when it browns up. Look at that. All that came up, and that's free flavor right there, guys. I know the French call it fond. I think that's the perfect word for it. Once you learn how to make it, how to use it, you will be fond of it. So we're going to use it tonight on some mushrooms. Got some baby bellas there. Just going to toss these around. Make sure that they absorb all that fond and all that flavor. Get it all sticking to them. Now we're going to cover where all that fond was. You want to make sure that you've got food there. Otherwise it's going to reform and it's going to pull the flavor out of your food. Okay? And we're just going to let that simmer. Okay, look at those perfect mushrooms. We ended up with a little more fond, so just kind of gently scrape it off. Now I'm going to reheat my meat. Hey Winston, what's up, buddy? Tasty pork. Yeah, there you go. Isn't he cute? He's the best cooking buddy ever. Okay, want to warm these up a little, but you don't want them too hot so that they get crispy. Tzatziki. There we go. Some of that tasty Greek sausage we just fried up. Some of those delicious caramelized mushrooms we just fried up. I like 2 kinds of cheese on my gyro. A little bit of this shredded Parmesan. It's kind of a dry, salty bite. And some of this tasty seasoned feta. So you got 2 textures. You got dry cheese and you got wet cheese. Now, some people will put raw onions on here. Not me. Make this burger topping. It's also a really good gyro topping. It's just spicy pickled onions. A little of them, get some of that sauce. Put all that on there. Let's put it in my belly. Look at that. Squeeze that back in. Looky there. And take a big bite. I'm sorry to leave, but I gotta go eat this.